Welcome you back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach us about continue statement. Alright, so we have another form of statement known as continue statement, and that helps us to continue from wherever we break out. Okay, so in the previous lecture we were able to look at a break statement, but whenever you break out and you want to continue, how can you do that? That is the problem. Now let's go ahead and let's say we have an integer variable of x, and let x be equal to 1 and put a semicolon at the end. And now we go ahead and use a while loop, and let's say y x is less than or equal to 50. Go ahead and say with an if statement, you say if x, let's want to break out at 30, if x is equivalent to 30, so he's going to skip 30 and continue from 31. Then go ahead and say x increment. Okay, for a semicolon, and then continue for a semicolon. Now go outside the if statement and print out. Go ahead and say console dot readline, and go ahead and say the new value of x equal to 0, and go ahead and put a comma and then put x right in there. Go ahead and put a semicolon at the end, and then we go ahead and say console dot root key. Okay, go ahead and put a semicolon at the end. Now, if you go ahead and run this code, it's going to skip 30 and continue from 31. Go ahead and check it out. Alright, so what happened is we didn't introduce x increment right here, just like we actually do. So x increment as well. Go ahead and put a semicolon and then run the code again and check it out. So now we can see it's printed from 1 down to 50. Go ahead and check out 30, 29, can you see that? 29 to 31 is skipped 30 and continues from 21, and from 31, what each want to skip? Maybe from 20 to 30 and then continues from 31, or from 20 to 35. Go ahead and close that. So let's go ahead and say if x is greater than or equal to 20, then and x is less than or equal to 35. Okay, that means it's going to start from 36 because 35 is included. Go ahead and run this code. Check it out. Now check out. From 19, it's skipped and start from 36 because it said greater than or equal to 20. That means 20 is included and 35 is also included. Can you see that? It starts from this and move down to 18, 19, down to 36. Can you see that? Because we're able to say jump this line. So in this way, you're able to jump up on things and then continue from the next one. Maybe if so number of students have submitted their exam or their text or their books, go ahead and skip and continue from students who have not submitted. Can you see that? That is how it works. So go ahead and put this down in your own system, play around with it, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section. I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.